Welcome to this Blackpool music school video all about loud does not equal good. And by this I mean loud music does not make music better. Playing it at a high volume does not make music better if it's not mixed well. If it's mixed well, you can play it at any volume and it always sounds great. It's very important that you mix your sound well. There should be a good amount of bass to middle and treble, and it should sound full. The full sound spectrum should be covered, and again sit in various parts of the room to make sure each person is getting a full variety of sound. In some areas you might get all bass and it will sound awful, and in some places you might get all treble and sound awful. It's very important to get the mix of the music right. So just remember, loud does not equal good. It's very important to get your mixes correctly. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and of course subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.